Makes it a lot easier to get food upstairs. So we recently went on a Halloween shopping trip and we found this. And quite often we are working at our desks all day, so we need something to like bring lunches and drinks up for each other. And this has been so nice. However, we're not a Kentucky bourbon family. We might be a Tennessee whiskey family, but we're not a Kentucky bourbon family. We are a spooky family. So we're going to take the wood off and we're going to repaint this to be spooky. So first...
Yeah, how do we get it off?
It's got screws in the bottom, so hopefully I remove all of these, the wood will just fall out. Hopefully it's all one piece, otherwise I will make it one piece.
We'll make it work.
I'll make it one piece. I'm also going to smooth out the wood a little bit because there's a lot of, it's not the best quality on this side. So I might just improve upon it slightly. A little epoxy, a little paint, a little fill. See, this screw just is right in the split. That's not doing anything. So when this goes back, those probably have to have some glue on it just to keep it stick.
Like you said, you'll want to fill in any gaps and smooth things out anyway.
Yeah. Make sure it's not a rough wood.
Looks like it's doing something.
This will probably just pop right out once I get it. Let's test. Oh.
There it goes.
Yes? Yes.
Yes. Yes!
Now, a little sanding, a little painting, and we'll be back.
Hello, Roxy.
Beautiful puppy. It's like 90 degrees out, so she wants to be inside with us. Oh, it's belly rub time. It's belly rub time. Yeah. She puts up with us.
Found some paints?
There's a whole bunch of stuff here I should have brought to the garage a while ago, but I didn't. And some of it is just a little bit of paint. So, should be good for our first surface. Dos. I need a paintbrush. I thought I had a block sander in here too. I was hoping to...
You doing it correctly?
Well, I don't have a sanding block at hand and it's too hot to go waddle out in the garage with stuff on the stove. So I'm just using a scraper to kind of smooth the edges of the wood.
That's still something.
Make it slightly better. Less likely to splinter or leave splinters on you when you're doing stuff.
But sandpaper would be better.
Sandpaper would be better. I'm just getting like the worst burrs off.
First coat.
Nice and matte black. Make it spooky.
Because we were talking about maybe painting a skull on it, in which case that would just be white.
So the skull with bat wings, I think, was the contender.
Yeah. So all the line art could be white on the black. And that could look really cool.
It's gonna look real neat. We just gotta do the initial setup part. Make sure the brush strokes are...
I mean, a little bit is fine, I think.
A little
Adds
texture's
interest.
fine, but
Yeah.
I don't want it to look too sloppy.
No, but it adds interest. Ta-da!
You can still sort of see the lettering, but I think after the skull's on there, I don't think you're gonna be able to see the lettering.
No.
So first coat of paint done. So first coat of black is on. Gonna let it dry. See how it looks. Probably do the other side too. Just because I'm gonna like it, and then put on the skull and reassemble.
Cool. Cool. Next we'll decide if this is big enough or if we need to do it in 2 pieces. Oh, bigger. Yeah, probably better. I don't know. I'm just cutting out the white pieces.
Yep. Because that's so it'll get painted white, and I'll just keep enough black pieces in there that they'll all float. Well, hello there. Let me just in case the page moves. Just in, see? That's why.
You could also tape it.
I could tape it. Do we have
Painter's tape
up here?
somewhere.
Thank you.
So once Rob is done doing the part that he's doing, we're going to put this part back in it so that we can get the eye and the nose.
Brilliant. I have to fill in the cross on the spider web, but that's it, basically. Put this guy in here.
Yeah.
He fits. And that means we get this eye in. Look at that.
Nice. It's formed a seal?
It's a pudding.
Oh no.
Uh,
It's got a skin.
it's always messy and sloppy.
Oh lord. Good start. Foxy is providing moral support.
She's more just shaking me as I'm trying to keep my hand steady. But she means well. This is the point where if I sneeze, I quit. So first layer, I want to get rid of some of the more swirly brush strokes and sort of make it more solid in some places, but I gotta wait for it to dry to make sure it's getting done properly. So let this dry, we'll do it again, but it's already looking real good.
And it looks like it's going to dry quick.
Yeah, it should dry quick. I should be able to finish this tonight and then we can assemble it either tonight or tomorrow.
That'd be great. So we're doing the next round.
And maybe the final layer. Just finishing up the teeth.
Looking good.
I don't think I'm going to touch the web. I think that one's fine.
No.
But the teeth, I'd like to just be a little whiter. Give them a little bleach. You want to look good for the dead man's party.
Ta-da!
Yeah. No, 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 no. Spooky, spooky, spook, 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 spook. Bringing you breakfast and tea. Spooky for you. Spooky for me. I know you're going to leave this all in.
I am.
Because I'm just a goober.
I am.
Well.
I love you.
Remember how spooky I am.
Mm-hmm.
Spooky, spook, spook.
And I'm gonna hit cut now.
Alright, I'm done. Gotta get that sleepy puppy.
So what's this?
This is the gloss glaze to sort of seal in the paint with the wood. Prevent it from getting smudged or smeared if things get spilled.
Brush it, brush it, brush it.
Brush the teeth. Brush the teeth.
Good dental health.
It's important in the afterlife. Those are your only teeth forever. Hello again. Now we're just putting it back together. As you can see, it's nice and shiny. Looking good.
You have all the little screws in here.
All the little screws in here. Goes right like that.
It came out. It should be able to go back.
We'll figure it out. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, that's looking good.
Nice.
Oh, I love our spook. I love our spooky shit. back where you came from. Yeah, pull it up. And you over there. Last two screws. Pretty good. Like I think it was about a week ago that we bought this.
I think so.
So a week ago we bought a generic bourbon cask looking serving tray, and give us a week with it. We make it skulls. Feels good. So our morning tea and breakfast can go on here, and then it's much easier to carry up the stairs because we're workaholics and we constantly work at our computers.
So that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Rock on. Rock on.
Rock on. There is the design and reveal. There's the final design. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, I like that a lot. Comes out even better on the camera. Skulls. Skulls for breakfast. Okay, bye.